You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. It's a surname, also a first name, a given name from Chinese, meaning money. It's a different spelling. There are different spellings for it. It's often spelled as Qian, and the Chinese pronunciation, how it's pronounced in China, is as Chien. Okay, so in English you can pronounce it similarly. English pronunciation, Chien. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.